Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Minecraft in Android. This is Minecraft the Pro version. Let's get started. First of all, we open WhatsApp and there's a link in WhatsApp that I have saved. Go ahead and copy the link. It's going to be in the description below. I copy the link and I open a web browser like Google. Alright, and then I post it. Paste, and then I paste it, and then I search. Upon pasting the link, you're gonna get this file. If you do not, repeat the action and this is surely gonna come. So guys, click on download file. Alright, and this only works for Android, guys. So click on download file and the file is gonna be downloaded after some time, and then open the file. Then it's gonna ask you to install Minecraft. Press on install, and after installing Minecraft, process is gonna take some time, guys. So yeah guys, so finally Minecraft decided to install, and after installation click on done. Go at the home bar and you can see there is Minecraft right there. Click on it. Then guys, as you can see, this Minecraft is opening right now, and we gotta wait for it to load. Yeah, just we gotta wait for some time, and there it is, guys. There's Minecraft. Yeah, just click on the cross so you can remove this page. Next, and play. Guys, I'm gonna hit the play button, and yeah, let's play, and then create a new world. As you can see, guys, we have successful download Minecraft. I'm gonna go on creative. I'm gonna open all these sort of stuff. I'm gonna put on normal. I'm gonna open these things, and after I'm done with that, let's play. I'll show you around Minecraft to see that it's a pro version. I'm just opening these bunch of stuff which are not really helping in the moment, but still yeah guys, so let's play. Guys, the message that written here is saying that you cannot invite players to play in this modded Minecraft. You cannot connect it to any social media things, and any modded app cannot be connected to social media like Google Play, Facebook. So you can only play alone, record yourself, and do the stuff. Okay guys, so let's just play. Alright, Minecraft is just loading, and it's just about loading in some time. Yeah guys, as you can see, it's a new world. I have the map in my hands. So guys, I'm just gonna show you around, and let's just go to the inventory to show you that we have everything. I'm gonna go on all, and you can see we have everything, guys. I'm gonna go and search armor. ARMOR. Oh, we got horse armor. So guys, I'm not really writing armor. I'm just gonna scroll down till I find armor. There it is, guys. There, it just went up. It's right here. And now I'm just gonna put on the gold armor for my character. As you can see, guys, I just put on the gold armor, and I'm gonna close the inventory, and I'm gonna walk freely around. So guys, we have successfully downloaded Minecraft. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share to my channel, Modern Techno Brothers. Watch out my other videos too, and bye.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up.